Hello and namaste, friends. Welcome back to the Kapil Gupta Career Pod Show. And I'm your host, Kapil Gupta. And today we are diving into one of the most exciting, futuristic, and high demand careers in the world of technology, the role of a cloud architect. Now, think for a moment about all the selfies you upload on Instagram, the binge watching sessions you enjoy on Netflix, or even the times when you pay your college fees online. Have you ever wondered where all this data goes? Now, it doesn't disappear into thin air, it lives on the cloud. And behind this powerful yet invisible system are the people who make sure everything runs smoothly, securely, and efficiently. Cloud architects. For Gen Z, who are constantly connected and want careers that are both lucrative and global, this role is truly a gold mine. Now, in this episode, I'll explain the scope of this career in India and abroad, what exactly a cloud architect does, the skills and qualifications you need, and the kind of salaries you can expect around the world. And finally, how you can build a roadmap for yourself to become a successful cloud architect. So, let's get started. Hello, all. I'm Kapil Gupta, founder of Study Abroad Academy. I'm on a mission to coach and mentor 100,000 high school students and help them realize their dream of studying in the best universities of the world and build happy and successful careers for themselves. So let's get started. The demand for cloud computing is exploding. In India, the growth of this field is nothing short of phenomenal. Companies such as Infosys, TCS, Wipro, Flipkart, Swiggy, and Zomato are actively hiring cloud architects because moving to the cloud is no longer optional. It is necessary for survival in today's digital economy. Now, according to reports, the Indian cloud market is expected to reach nearly 13 billion US dollars by 2026, and this means thousands of jobs will be available for skilled professionals. And globally, the picture is even brighter. In the United States, giants like Amazon, through of course AWS, Microsoft through Azure, and Google through Google Cloud are not just offering services but are also continuously on the lookout for cloud architects who can design and manage the systems. Countries like Canada, Germany, Singapore, and Australia are equally keen on hiring talent because almost every business is undergoing digital transformation. Now, what this means for you is simple. If you train to become a cloud architect, you'll not just be employable in your city or your country, you'll be employable everywhere. So it's like having a career passport to the entire world. So, what exactly does a cloud architect do? So, to explain it simply, think of a cloud architect as a city planner. But instead of designing physical roads, buildings, and pipelines, they design digital roads, data pipelines, and secure networks in the cloud. So, just like a city requires a proper infrastructure to keep everything connected and running smoothly, organizations need cloud architects to design the digital infrastructure that powers their operations. So, on a daily basis, cloud architects are responsible for designing the architecture of cloud systems for companies. They plan how applications, servers, and storage should be structured. They help organizations move their data from old physical servers into the cloud. They ensure security so that sensitive information is safe from hackers or breaches. They constantly monitor costs because companies do not want to overspend on cloud services, and they work closely with IT teams to troubleshoot problems. So, most cloud architects work in IT firms, banks, healthcare organizations, or government agencies. Many also work remotely since their role only needs a laptop and internet connection. The work environment is dynamic, sometimes stressful because of deadlines, but mostly very rewarding because every decision you make can affect thousands or even millions of people using a service. How cool is that? And now let's talk about what you need to become a cloud architect. Usually, students begin with a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, or a related field. But the good news is that even if you come from electronics, mechanical, or mathematical backgrounds, you can still enter this field by focusing on the right certifications. Now, the skills required are broad, but manageable if you build them step by step. First, you need a strong foundation in operating systems such as Linux or Windows. You also need to understand networking fundamentals like DNS, VPNs, or TCP/IP because the cloud is all about connectivity. Basic programming knowledge in languages such as Python, Java, or Go is very useful. Most importantly, you must be familiar with at least one major cloud platform such as AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud. Knowledge of cybersecurity and compliance rules is a huge plus because data security is a global priority. And finally, problem solving and communication skills are essential because a cloud architect must coordinate between technical teams and non technical managers. So, when it comes to universities in India, top choices include IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, BITS Pilani, Manipal Institute of Technology, and Amity University, which even offers specializations in cloud computing. Abroad, so the best universities are Carnegie Mellon University, Stanford University, the University of Toronto, the National University of Singapore, and the Technical University of Munich. However, universities are only one part of the story. What truly adds weight to your profile are certifications. So, AWS Certified Solutions Architect, or Microsoft Azure Solutions Architect, or even Google Professional Cloud Architect and Cisco's CCNA are considered global gold standards in this field. And here comes the part everyone is eager to know: the salary. In India, a fresh graduate with the right certifications can start with a package of around 6 to 10 lakhs rupees per annum. With 5 to 10 years of experience, that can rise to 25 to 40 lakhs rupees annually. In the United States, starting salaries are around $90,000 per year, and experienced professionals can make anywhere between 130,000 to $160,000 annually. In Canada, the range is between 80 to 120,000 Canadian dollars. In European countries like Germany and the UK, salaries range from 70 to 100,000 euros, and Singapore also offers attractive packages of around 90 to 120,000 Singapore dollars per year. Now, these numbers prove one thing: cloud architects are among the top 10 highest paid professionals in the IT sector. The demand is sky high, while the supply of trained professionals is still catching up. So, this career is not just intellectually rewarding, but also financially empowering. So, let me share a template to become a cloud architect. So, begin with a bachelor's degree in computer science, IT, or related subject, then build foundational knowledge in operating systems, networking, and programming, and choose a cloud platform like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud and start learning. Add value by getting certified with globally recognized credentials. Work on small projects to showcase your skills. For example, migrate a website to AWS or set up a secure cloud storage. Then gain practical experience through internships in IT firms and startups. Begin your career with the roles such as junior cloud engineer, then with 3 to 5 years of experience, step into cloud architect positions. Keep upskilling with DevOps, AI cloud integration, and security tools. And don't forget to build your portfolio and LinkedIn presence because opportunities are global and your online profile is your new resume. So, friends, here's the truth: the cloud is not just the future, it's the present. From small startups to Fortune 500 companies, every organization is either already in the cloud or moving towards it. And they all need skilled professionals to design and manage this transition. Cloud architects are no longer optional, they are essential. So, if you're someone who enjoys technology, problem solving, and the idea of working in a global industry that impacts millions of lives every day, then this might be the perfect career path for you. And remember, the world doesn't just need coders anymore, it needs thinkers, designers, and the leaders who can build the backbone of a digital society. So here's my life changing challenge for you today. If you're a student, spend at least 30 minutes this week exploring few tutorials on AWS or Google Cloud. If you're a working professional who feels stuck in a monotonous IT job, take the first step by enrolling in an online certification course. And if you're still unsure, talk to a mentor, join an online community, or simply test the waters with a small project. The leaders of tomorrow in technology will not just be software engineers, they'll be cloud architects. And one of those leaders could be you. Don't just dream of a career, design it, just like a cloud architect designs the future of the internet. So, this is Kapil Gupta signing off from the Kapil Gupta Career Pod Show. Stay curious, stay focused, and most importantly, keep building your own path. Thank you.